Hello and welcome back to our tutorial on how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva. In this video, we'll be showing you step by step how to design a pin that is optimized for Pinterest. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Canva account. Once you are here on the home page of the Canva, you need to search for the Pinterest graphics. Now select this one. Now choose a template that suits your need. You can scroll down to see a lot of more templates that you can use. For example, this one is around the food. This one is around a better work-life balance. And here are some recipes and many more. You can scroll down and search for the one that suits best for your design. I'll be choosing this one and I will show you how you can edit this and make your own customized Pinterest pin. Once you are here, it's time to add your own content. You can add images, text and even videos to your pin. First, let's start by adding the text. Just double click on it. You can also select this one and make some adjustments so that your design looks good to your audience. So let's add the image. You can upload your own image, or you can also use the elements from here and search for the image or a video that suits best for your design. And here search for the photos. Just click and drag on top of the previous picture. Just double click on it to resize it or reposition it according to your need. I will place it just right here. Now click on the canvas and there you go. You can also add your own website name just right here. And after that, you are done. You can also change the background of this image. Just double click here. Now click on this background color and choose your own color. If you want to choose a color from the image, just click on this and select this. There you go. If you are using any more templates, you may want to adjust the layout to better fit your content. Just simply drag and drop from the element menu and you will be done. Once your pin is complete, it's time to download and share it. You can simply just click on File and now click on Download, and from here you can select the file format and just click on Download. Now you can upload this pin to the Pinterest, and that's it. In just few easy steps, you have learned how to design a Pinterest pin in Canva. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.